In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rank values and get top 5 numbers in Excel. We're going to use a simple method that helps you quickly pull the highest values from a list. This is especially useful when you want to identify top sales, highest scores, or any other top performing numbers in a worksheet. To begin, open your Excel workbook and make sure you're in the file where you want to find the top 5 numbers. For this example, the sample data is already placed in cells A1 through A11. Before entering the formula, it helps to have a small ranking area set up so Excel knows which largest value to return first, second, third, and so on. Click on cell C1 and type rank. This will serve as the heading for your ranking list. Then in cells C2 through C6, enter the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These numbers tell Excel which position you want returned from the list. A rank of 1 means the largest number, 2 means the second largest, and this continues down through the 5th largest value. Next, move to cell D1 and type top 5 sales as your heading. This will label the results clearly so they're easy to understand when you look back at the sheet later. Now click on cell D2. Here, enter the formula equals large, then an opening parenthesis, followed by the range $sign, a $sign 2 colon $sign, a $sign 11, then a comma, then C2, and finally a closing parenthesis. In standard Excel form, that formula is equal sign large open parenthesis, $A$2, colon $A$11, comma, C2, close parenthesis. Press enter. Excel will return 500, which is the largest value in the list. The reason this works is because the large function looks through the selected range and returns the value based on the rank number in column C. Since C2 contains 1, Excel gives you the largest number first. To get the rest of the top 5 values, select cell D2 again, then drag the fill handle down to D6. As you copy the formula downward, Excel will continue using the same data range, while the rank reference changes from C2 to C3, C4, C5, and C6. That allows it to return the second largest, third largest, fourth largest, and fifth largest numbers automatically. And that's it. You now have a clean, fast way to rank values and display the top 5 numbers in Excel.